Kick scooters as we know them today were first created at the turn of the century and became really popular with kids of all ages. Age is just a number, so if you're an adult and have ever considered going for a ride on a scooter, then there's no need to feel ashamed. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best kick scooter you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5, CITYGLIDE C200 Scooter. This CITYGLIDE scooter comes in a beautiful blue color. It comes with two types of brakes, a traditional scooter brake and a hand grip controlled brake. The handlebar is about 36 inches tall, and it can suit adults that are above 6 feet. It is equipped with a 3-action folding mechanism and supports a rider weighing up to 220 pounds. Assembling this scooter is required, but the process is quite simple, so just about anyone can do it. Additionally, this scooter is constructed using lightweight aluminum for a sturdier ride overall. The Fusion CITYGLIDE C200 adult kick scooter is one of the easiest you can control. The durability is excellent on the tires, and they don't need to be constantly inflated. It will cross almost any terrain with ease, allowing you to improve the quality of your experience. Pros: easy to control, durable construction, features wide wheels. Cons: ineffective hand brake. Number 4, Swagtron K8 Folding Kick Scooter. The Swagtron K8 Folding Kick Scooter with kickstand is an adult scooter that is designed to be super sleek and stylish. In fact, Swagtron is the official brand that's represented by the Chicago Cubs, so if you're a baseball fan, then you'll want to get your hands on this adult scooter. It has an aluminum build that can support up to 220 pounds, its handlebars can reach a height of 40 inches, and it's foldable, only weighing 10 pounds. So you can carry it when necessary. It can come in black, pink, and blue, so if your whole family are Cubs fans, then these options are available. Pros: lightweight and easy to carry, has a convenient kickstand, foldable with adjustable handlebars. Cons: no suspension. Number 3, Mongoose Expo Scooter. The Mongoose Expo scooter is new on the market, but it is becoming a very popular choice. It's equipped with larger road tires, and can be used for both sporting and commuting purposes. It also comes with pneumatic rear and front tires, making it ideal for driving through all kinds of terrains. The scooter has insane durability, and even though it is marketed for kids, it is a very effective scooter for adults. With a weight limit of 220 pounds, it is one of the adult kick scooters that should be easy to drive around with. Additionally, it might be heavy with an overall weight of 18 pounds, but this is a minor drawback to the rest of what the scooter offers. This product is sturdy, so it's sure to last for a long time. It also offers a smooth and safe ride across different kinds of terrains. One thing to mention is that the 12-inch tires are air-filled, so they can be inflated if you want more air to them. Pros: 220-pound weight capacity, inflatable tires, durable. Cons: 18 pounds in weight. Number 2, Razor A5 Lux Scooter. The Razor A5 Lux Scooter is perhaps one of the best products that you can get on the market today. It comes with a low aluminum deck that is sure to give you ease and comfort while gallivanting around in town or on campus. The scooter features 200mm wheels that can easily support a person of up to 220 pounds. It also features a kickstand that comes quite handy. The lightweight aluminum frame is probably one of the best additions, while being complemented with a foldable design for easy storage and transportation. Adjustable handlebars and hand grips are some of the key features of this scooter. These handlebars tend to reduce the overall vibration for a more elegant riding experience. It is available in 3 color variants, which are suitable for both men and women. To put it in simple terms, this scooter has an ergonomic design, making it comfortable for almost every rider. Pros: pre-assembled design, portable and foldable, adjustable handlebars. Cons: not for rough terrains. Number 1, HUDORA 230 Big Wheel Kick Scooter. The HUDORA 230 Big Wheel Kick Scooter is a big wheel scooter designed with a rugged frame, which means more durability. It's a scooter specifically suitable for bumpy and rough roads, as it comes with a 230mm front wheel and a 205mm back wheel. However, the braking mechanism is located on the rear wheel tire. The easy folding mechanism makes folding this product hassle-free. It offers a maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds, and the scooter is even suitable for individuals who are taller than 6 feet. The best thing about this scooter is that it comes in a fully assembled state, so it can be driven right away. It's also equipped with an aluminum deck, making it strong and durable to use for adults. The HUDORA 230 comes in 2 variants, black and white. It has a bell and carries a strap present. The color features and the accessories make it an excellent option for those that need value for their money. Lastly, the scooter also features an ergonomic design, making it one of the most comfortable on the market today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.